Hello students. Now today in GK we are going to start from page number 21. On this page the lesson is books and authors. Books an author means a person who has written the particular book. So the name of the books are given to us and we have to find out from the help box that which writer has written that book. So let's start it. First one is David Copperfield. It is written by Charles Dickens. The option D. Second, Great Expectation is also written by the Charles Dickens. Third one is Around the World in 80 Days is written by Jules Verne. Fourth is the name of the book is Robinson Crusoe and is written by Daniel Defoe. Fifth, The Wing of Fire is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Sixth, Alice in Wonderland is written by Lewis Carroll. Seventh, Animal Farm. This book is written by George Orwell. Eighth, Ramcharitmanas is written by Tulsidas. The Chamber of Secrets written by J.K. Rowling. 10th, Geetanjali written by Rabindranath Tagore. 11th, Devdas is written by Sharat Chand Chatterjee. 12th, Anand Math written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. 13th, Panchtantra. It is written by Vishnu Sharma. 14th, Jungle Book is written by Rudyard Kipling. 15th, A Brief Story of Time is again written by Daniel Defoe. 16th, 1984 is written by George Orwell. Next one is come on page 22. Here we have to find out 4 options are given to us, and in the beginning a word is given. After that A, B, C, D 4 choices are given. We have to find out the correct meaning which is very close to that particular word, the meaning of that word which is very close. First one is exorbitant. Then options are threatening, odd, excessive, ridiculous. The correct meaning is excessive. Second, abominable. The options are original, detestable, preferable, complimentary. The correct option is detestable. Third, bona fide. Options are nail, genuine, fire, picture. The correct meaning is the genuine. Fourth, expeditiously. The options are fairly, speedily, timely, justifiably. The correct option is the speedily. Fifth, pragmatic, and the options are casual, funny, slow, practical. And the correct option is practical. option D. Sixth, citation. The options are document, letter, degree, award note. And the correct answer is option D, award note. Seventh, judicious. Options are legal, court, rightful, wise. The correct answer is option D, wise. Eighth, dilate. Options are stop, shrink, swell, expand. And here again the correct option is option D, expand. Ninth one, penury. Options are rich, powerful, extravagant, party. Here again the option D is correct, that is party. 10th one is pandemonium. Options are great fear, relating to a Greek god, tidiness, and last one is wild disorder. And the option, again the last one, option D, wild disorder. Now the next one is music and musician, musical instrument. So here music is lot of sounds put together to make a tune. Sound is produced by vibrations. How the music is produced? With the help of vibration. Different instruments are played, and what the vibration is coming out from that instrument, it is called as the music. In order to make an object vibrate, a force is needed. For as we have to if we clap, make clapping, or tap our feet or hand, then what we find, some sound comes out and it vibrates, and for that we have to make a pressure or force on it. This force can be provided by plucking, striking, rubbing, blowing, or hitting. Here you can see in the picture that how the music is come out from by playing different instrument. Sound is produced by vibrations. Depending on the method of producing musical sound, the three main types of instrument played are: first, the string instrument, in which the string or the wire is there. While playing that string, a vibration comes out. Second one, musical instrument played with a bow. Here we will just play that string with the help of bow. And the third one, musical instrument plucked with a mizrab or plectrum. Again, the strings are played by just plucking it. So, in the musical instrument plucked with fingers, it is tanpura, ektara, harp, guitar, banjo. You are aware about few of them, not all. Next, musical instrument played with the help of bow, it is sarangi and violin. And musical instrument plucked with a mizrab or a plectrum are the sitar, swarsati veena, and sarod. The santoor is played. Another musical instrument is santoor. Is played with two sticks that are curved at the end. Then piano, you all are aware about piano. Has a keyboard. The strings vibrate when the keyboard is plucked. stuck. The piano uses the principle of both percussion and string. Now the second one is the wind instrument. The string instrument where strings are there which are played by different methods. Second one is by wind instrument where we blow with the help of our mouth. In wind instrument, the sound is produced by blowing air through a hollow tube. Which are some of the examples are flute, shehnai, clarinet, saxophone, horn, harmonium, trumpet, accordion, mouth organ, bagpipes. Again here few are there, 2 or 3 which you have not seen before. Here with the help of picture you come to know which instrument looks like how. Then come to the third one is the percussion instruments. Here we will blow by just beating on it. Anything that can be struck or beaten to make a musical sound can be called a percussion instrument. Here we struck on it or we beat on that instrument. Which instruments are there? Jaltarang, damru, tabla, dholak, cymbals, duff, Congo drum, wind bells. Here 2 drums, different types of drums are there. Horizontal position and vertical. Horizontal we beat like this and in vertical we beat like this. So here we come to know about different instrument which produce the music when we blow. When we blow, when we beat on it or when we use the string which produce the different music. Here the questions are there which we will just continue in our next class. Have a good day. Thank you.